Sketch the graph of the equation. Identify the vertex. We have the equation y is equal to negative x squared minus 2x minus 4. I'm going to start by going ahead and identifying the vertex using our vertex formula, which starts with x equals negative b over 2a. In our equation above, a is equal to this leading coefficient, it's negative 1. B is our coefficient of x, it is negative 2. So we have here the opposite of b, or the opposite of negative 2, over 2 times a, and a is negative 1. That gives us a positive 2 divided by a negative 2, or a negative 1 for the x value of the vertex. Now let's determine the y value of the vertex by plugging in negative 1 for x in our original equation. So y is equal to the negative of negative 1 squared minus 2 times negative 1 minus 4. That's a negative 1 squared is positive 1. With a negative sign out front, takes it back to negative. So negative 1 plus 2 minus 4. Negative 5 plus 2 is a negative 3. So our vertex is located at x equal negative 1, y equal negative 3. In our t-table, we've then generated this point for the vertex. And let's determine a few other points for a parabola to get the general shape of it by selecting points that are going to be near the vertex. So I've chosen x values to the left and right of that vertex x value of negative 1. Well, to find the y value for x equal negative 3, we need to substitute negative 3 in for y in our original equation. Let me go ahead and show that. So our original equation is y is equal to negative x squared minus 2x minus 4. Let's substitute x equal negative 3 and simplify. Negative 3 squared is a positive 9, but we still got a negative sign out front, which takes it back to negative 9. Negative 2 times negative 3 is a positive 6, and we've got a minus 4 in there as well. That gives us a negative 13 plus 6, or a negative 7. So this parabola also goes through the point x equal 3, y equal negative 7. If we, in a likewise manner, substitute x equal negative 2, we get a y value of negative 4. Substituting x equals 0 gives y equal negative 4, and that's really quick. Substituting x equals 0 causes these two terms to disappear, leaving a negative 4. And if we substitute x equal 1, we're going to get a y value of negative 7. So let's plot these points on our Cartesian graph. We have the point negative 3, negative 7. So back 3 on the x-axis, 1, 2, 3, and down 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Point negative 3, negative 7. We've got the point also negative 2, negative 4. So left 2, down 4, negative 2, negative 4. The vertex at negative 1, negative 3, and I'm going to identify that clearly. We've got the point 0, negative 4, and 1, negative 7. Let's try to graph this parabola using a nice smooth curve here. So we've graphed our equation. That equation is y equal negative x squared minus 2x minus 4, and we've identified the vertex at negative 1, 3. Negative 1, negative 3.